In my top 5 drills that are wasting your time, I bring you today the leg scissors. Leg scissors are about you kicking up against the wall and swapping the legs to experience a few seconds of balance, exhilarating, elating, useless. You see, leg scissors are an easy way, too easy a way to balance, and they allow you to avoid the most important part when it comes to balancing, which is what your fingers have to do. Pros, they're fun. Cons, they don't teach you the balancing patterns you need to learn to be able to hold 30 seconds tomorrow. And they are flawed in their logic in the way they are used everywhere. When you perform leg scissors, you're using this leg pattern to experience balance, to yank your way off the wall. When balance should be the product of what your hands are doing, the actions you're performing at the hand level, and the timing with which you're performing them. Not only that, but you need to realize that holding a handstand steady, which is going to take you time, is easier than holding a handstand in which you're moving the legs in a very linear and controlled fashion, which itself is easier than a handstand where the legs are moving chaotically. Therefore, leg swaps are a great drill once you're able to hold yourself in a static V shape. They are, in essence, a transition drill in which you move from position A, which is a V shape, to position B, which is the reversed V shape. And the logic in transition work in handstands is the following. Be proficient first at holding position A and at holding position B, and then, and only then, start working from going to A to B. So here we're putting a bit the cart before the horse. We want first to get good at that static hold, and then if that transition is in the horizon of what you want to be able to do, then fine, it will make sense. Now, to be fair, it's not completely useless. It gives you an easy way in this very gruesome journey that handstands can be to experience a bit of fun upside down, to get the sensation of floating. And you know what? Being able to move your right leg in front of your left leg and vice versa is actually quite good in terms of body awareness. This is not to be taken for granted. A lot of people will struggle to do that even once they're past the 30-second mark. But if, like most people who work with me, your time is limited, you need to squeeze out as much as possible from your training session. And for that, you need to pick the right drills. I'm going to call them the best ROI drills, the one that yield the most results to you. And leg scissors, when it comes to getting a consistent, fearless handstand for 15 seconds, is not one of them. Remember this, to progress fast, you need to pick the drills that will yield results. The drills that are adapted to the stage at which you find yourself on that journey. The beginner will not say the same drills as the person who's been doing this for 10 years, obviously. And the drills that work for you, your body, and your nervous system.